I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're ready to experience the best pillows ever, then you have to check out these throw pillows from AEROMAX. These are like nothing I have ever felt before. These throw pillows are 18 by 18 and are made of a memory foam, which makes them so unique. I love that I can not only use a cover on these to make them look very decorative on my couch, but they are extremely comfortable, which is a key feature that I look for in my throw pillows. Often pillows get flimsy, they lose their shape, but not these ones. I was blown away at just how the bounce back of these pillows was almost immediate as I released pressure from either holding them, hugging them, or laying on them. I know that I am going to have to buy more of these pillows because everyone in my house fights over them, whether we're using them as back support, using them to lay on the couch, or honestly, just snuggling up with them. They are so soft. They also come with their own washable cover, which I really appreciated. I personally add an additional cover to just change up the decorations in my house. I love that I can have a pillow that I can count on the inside, but still have the ability to change what I want it to look like on the outside using another pillow cover. Because they're made of memory foam, they are super plump and full, so when I put them on the couch, they really just stand out, and I love that about them. One thing about these pillows is they are soft but firm, and I love that they can really use both of those qualities to produce something that's so comfortable. These throw pillows from AEROMAX are a premium quality with the ultimate comfort. We absolutely love them in our house, but that's just our point of view.